Right now, Alameda County has the most coronavirus cases in the Bay Area, over 10,700. And Santa Clara County isn't far behind with 9,600. We have team coverage beginning with KPIX5's Andrea Nakano in Alameda County. And we wanted to know, is a second lockdown on the way?
When I talked with Alameda County Public Health Director Nicholas Moss just a few hours ago, he says cases have stabilized right now, but all options are on the table.
We certainly are always considering whether we need to take steps like that to move backwards.
With Alameda County on the state's monitoring list, it's working jointly with the California Department of Public Health to flatten the curve. With the highest number of hospitalizations since the pandemic began, Dr. Moss says any easing of restrictions is on pause.
You know, I'm still very concerned about our hospitalizations, and so until we see some stabilization there, I think it's too early to talk about reopening.
The Alameda County Public Health Department releasing this graph of the relationship between easing of restrictions and COVID case increases. Each time another business sector is allowed to open, comes a spike.
I think it's not so much a story of any one particular sectors, but rather any place where people have had to return to work where they couldn't remote.
Add social gatherings to that, and that's how Dr. Moss says most of the community transmissions are occurring. Alameda County residents we spoke with tonight aren't in a rush to see more businesses open anytime soon.
It's greater than just one person. It's greater than just me. You know, you gotta kind of like help everybody with this situation.
And ultimately, at the end of the day, it's about, you know, human being and lives and medical science.
While many of the staff members from San Quentin live in Alameda County, Dr. Moss says there really hasn't been any evidence to point to a community transmission stemming from that outbreak. In Oakland, Andrea Nakano, KPIX5.
And as